Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the AutoCAD brief delay when selecting dimensions using the easy method. This is a great way to smooth out your mouse clicks on your setup session so your software stops freezing up every time you touch a measurement tool. Step 1. Open your main options panel. The first step is to type a basic command into your workspace to open up the master settings box where your hidden preference rules are kept. Move your pointer down to the empty typing bar at the bottom of your screen, type the word Options, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait a brief second for the large settings window to load completely in the center of your view screen. Because you cannot fix mouse lag from your regular drawing canvas, you have to open this master configuration panel so you can alter how the software tracks your mouse movements. Without this step, your computer will keep using its factory settings, which cause the app to stumble when you highlight your lines. Step 2. Turn off the Selection Preview tool. Next, you need to navigate to the correct tab inside your options window and tell the software to stop trying to light up your lines before you actually click them. Look at the top row of files inside the box, click on the tab marked Selection, look for the section about previewing items, and uncheck the small boxes next to the preview rules. Make sure the square checkboxes for previewing items when commands are active and when no commands are active are both completely empty. Because when your mouse pointer floats over a complicated measurement line, the software works way too hard trying to highlight everything underneath your cursor. By turning off this constant automatic guessing game, you remove a massive workload from your computer parts. It ensures your arrow slides across the screen freely without lagging behind your hand. Next, you need to turn off the tiny automatic text box that pops up right next to your mouse arrow to show you details about whatever measurement you just clicked. Look down at the row of small toggle buttons at the very bottom right corner of your screen, locate the icon for the Quick Properties panel, or type the command QP mode and set it to the number 0 using your keyboard. Verify that the toggle button changes from blue to gray, meaning the floating info box is fully turned off and asleep. Because when you click a measurement line, the program pauses to search its entire memory bank to gather facts to show you inside that tiny floating box. If you have hundreds of measurements in your file, this data search causes the app to freeze for a brief second. Turning this feature off drops that extra baggage, so your click triggers instantly. It is the key step to getting the right output, because it removes the bad lag loop completely. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD brief delay when selecting dimensions, you must first type Options to launch your main panel, then you head to the Selection tab to turn off the Selection Preview highlights to ease the workload on your machine. Next, you set QP mode to 0 to disable the Quick Properties box so the system stops running extra data searches. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.